This lesson is called Leaps and Bounds, and the students will be exploring how animals move by looking at their tracks and signs.
Your warm-up activity, you want to find an open area like the corral, and what you want to do first is split the group up into two groups, and one group will wear cards that have pictures of animals on the front, and the other group will wear cards with their footprint, and for each animal there's a footprint that matches. And so one group will stand on one side of the corral, the other group will stand on the other side, and the group with the animal card will move as if they were that animal. So if they were a bear, they may crawl on four legs or walk, and then they will have to try to find and match up with the person on the other side of the corral with the correct footprint. Alright, so after you come inside, you'll start an activity describing on different ways that animals move and begin looking at their tracks. So you'll start with these overheads, and there's others, and so this one, it has tracks leading this way, and the same one, and you'll have the kids look at the overheads and then take guesses on what is happening in each overhead. And then there's a corresponding overhead which lines up with the first overhead. So now this first one was a fox trailing a rabbit, and the second one was a human and a deer. Alright, so the next activity is taking the kids outside on a nature hike, and things that they'll be looking for out there, you want to make sure that the kids are aware of different stuff that they might find as it relates to animal signs. So for example, there's things like owl pellets that you could show them, or a snake skin, rabbit scat, or there's other scats that we have. And then the tracks, make sure that they're aware of different tracks that they may see on the hike. The last activity is going on the nature hike, and you're going to have the students look for those signs like the snake skin or the deer scat that you showed inside, and then you're going to have them look at different tracks. So you're going to have you're going to ask for one volunteer, and the rest of the people that aren't volunteers will close their eyes or turn around, and then that one volunteer will press one of these tracks into the ground. So like this is a deer or a wolf, and they'll press it into the ground, and then the rest of the group will turn around and try to guess what the tracks are in the ground.